So this is Case Tools Lab experiment number 10. In this experiment, we're going to see about intermediate code generation. So the question is to write a program to convert the given arithmetic expression to 3 address code. So you can see that get an expression as an input and scan the statement from left to right. So the given thing is the given expression has been scanned from left to right. So example, if you are giving an expression like this, it will scan from a plus b like that. So frame a new statement, set it perform one operation at a time. So the a plus b has been transferred into t1, and in next to operation the t2, so the a plus b minus c, so a plus b it is including as t1 and c has been including c has been minus 2a, so this process is t2. Then this total t2 minus d is t3. So this is the process. So intermediate code generation means it has three kinds of operation, three kinds of addressing process. So you can see that if a value assigned to a, it should be implemented to b, and if the value of b should be minus 2 with the whole thing. So that's the thing. Let me explain the code. So here I am implementing the input output packages. Then this is private static character of precedence. So first important thing should be this dividend, and then multiplication, and then plus, and then minus. So next private statistics integer is check precedent. So if character of token is equal to t dot character at 0, then it will get into this for loop. So for loop is up to length and it will increment. Then persistence of the value has been included here. So next it is getting into this main function. In this main function we are declaring the necessary data type integer and character data type. Then we are getting to boolean process, so boolean check process. After that we are going to this string, so it will read the string, given string. So after getting into this, it will make into the buffer. So the string is getting into this buffer reader, so we are getting that new buffer reader. So the system is asking to enter the user for expression, then it's getting the expression into the code, and then after getting the expression, it will see that it will execute this following for loop. So first check pros.length has been executed. After that, the length of the program has some precedence of this length. So operator count 1 and count 2, then it will plus plus. After it will making this, it will get into this break function. So next thing is the op count is minus 2 with this function for loop. Then the j for loop has been executed from 0 to I and j plus plus. Then we are into this here, we are executing this following commands: check print and check proceed and operators j and 0. It should be greater than this check proceed and of operator j plus 1 and 0. So up to this it will get into, if it's correct, it will get in this function. So operator of j and 0, array of j and 0 should be temperature. It should be temporarily variable. Then it's getting to, then this both should be equal, both of the conditions should be equal. Then this operator of j plus 1 is assigning as temp. After that we are assigning operator of j and 1 value, and it goes on according to this. Then we are getting to this for loop. Then here I am getting that integer %, and opcode of 1 and opcode of 2. So this checking process has been taken into this function. After that executed up to this opcode count, then opcount executed, then integer parsing has been taking place. After that it reads every expression with this character, so it separate that expression according to the preference. So after checking that, it will, after checking every process in this function, it will have every operator with that assigned value. Then after getting this function executed, it will display the following output with the t values. So let me run the code. So it's asking to enter an expression, so I am entering a plus b minus c minus d. So that's what given this, so that was given in this input. So input is this and output should be like this form. So let me run the code. So you can see the following output, and a plus b is taken as t1, and the next thing is t1 minus c, and it's indicated as t2, then t3 is equal to t2 minus d. So the given function has been executed. Thank you.